Hi, my name is Henry, and today I will be going over a quick tutorial on how to use our mode optimization tool. The purpose of this tool is to provide a quick and simple way to determine the most cost-effective and efficient form of transportation for a particular vendor. When first opening up the spreadsheet, you will notice the introduction page with instructions of how to use the tool. By clicking the JB Hunt logo, you will start using the tool. In the JB Hunt tab, this includes inputs for both truck and rail, so all you have to do is input the information into the cell. If the vendor does not have the holding cost information available, you can generally input any number from 10 to 25%. If the vendor does not have the in-transit cost as well, you can generally replace that number with half of what the holding cost is. Directly below is a distance recommendation to determine which modes might be viable for a certain lane depending on the length. This is a tree diagram which illustrates which tab to select depending if factors such as safety stock and back orders are needed. All you have to do is click on which one you want and it will take you to the designated tab. So I will now go through a quick example to illustrate this tool in use. I am first inputting the requested variables. Once completed, the tree diagram will direct you towards the appropriate tab. For example, if you do not want to consider safety stock, click on the word Simple tab. As you can see, the calculated data illustrates the total annual cost for both over-the-road as well as intermodal. For this particular example, intermodal would be our preferred option. Depending on whether or not you would like to consider filling back orders, there are continuous and managerial tabs also available. The trade-off tab contains a detailed total cost comparison. These breakdowns give insight as to which variables are influencing total cost, as well as a comparison between modes. The alternative trade-offs tab explores the best truck quantity you will need in order to have the cheapest total cost compared to how many trucks you will be needing. Please keep in mind that there are estimates to provide insights into cost as well as comparisons between options. The glossary tab contains an alphabetized list of logistics terms. If you encounter an unfamiliar term, this glossary can be referenced for clarity. I will now illustrate a second example by changing the yearly demand to 1 million and the standard deviation daily demand to 400. As you can see, changing these variables can greatly impact the best option. You can further explore these tabs to get a better understanding of your total cost. Thank you for watching the tutorial for our mode optimization tool.